Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the GoPro Mission 1 Pro and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Two flagship action cameras built for creators who want rugged bodies, high-end video, and reliable performance in demanding conditions. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro brings a larger 1-inch quad-Bayer sensor, 8K recording at 60 frames per second, and a huge 2,150 mAh Enduro 2 battery with fast charging. On the other hand, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 offers 8K recording at 30 frames per second, a bright 2.5-inch flip-up display, and strong internal audio with an integrated wind guard. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two action cameras and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design, build quality, and durability, because action cameras need to survive real-world use, not just look good on a spec sheet. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro feels like a tougher evolution of the classic GoPro shape, and it is noticeably larger and heavier at around 208 grams with the battery and memory card installed. That extra size is not wasted, because it helps make room for the larger sensor, deeper glove-friendly buttons, improved underwater controls, and stronger water resistance down to 20 meters. On the other hand, Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is also a chunky camera, but it is lighter at around 6.3 ounces and feels easier to handle for casual handheld shooting. Its magnetic mounting system is secure and very convenient, which is great when you switch setups often. It is waterproof down to 12 meters, which is still useful, but not quite as rugged as the GoPro. So if you value maximum durability, deeper waterproofing, and a body that feels ready for rough sports, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro is the stronger pick. Moving on to display, interface, and ease of use, this is where the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 makes one of its strongest arguments. Its 2.5-inch flip-up rear screen is a major advantage for vloggers, solo creators, and anyone who films themselves often, because you can frame your shot properly without depending on a tiny front display. The screen is bright, responsive, and spacious enough to make settings easier to see, which matters when you are filming outdoors, wearing gloves, or working from awkward angles. On the other hand, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro improves the traditional GoPro experience with a larger 2.59-inch rear screen, a refreshed interface, and customizable shooting modes that let you simplify the camera around your workflow. That is helpful for advanced users who know exactly what they want to enable or disable. The Insta360 still feels more beginner-friendly because its flip screen and cleaner layout make the camera less intimidating. So if you value easier framing, smoother self-recording, and a more relaxed shooting experience, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 takes this section. When it comes to video quality, sensor performance, and creative flexibility, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro is clearly built to push action camera performance higher. It uses a quad-Bayer 1-inch sensor and a new GP3 processor, which means it can capture more image data and handle demanding recording modes more easily. You get 8K at 60 frames per second for extremely detailed footage, 4K at 240 frames per second for dramatic slow motion, and 1080p at 480 frames per second for even more extreme action shots. It also supports 10-bit recording and GP-Log 2, which gives editors more room to adjust colors and exposure later. On the other hand, Insta360 Ace Pro 2 still produces sharp and pleasing footage, especially in 4K, with natural colors, solid contrast, and 8K recording up to 30 frames per second. Its 8K mode is useful for cropping and oversampling, but the GoPro gives more headroom for professional editing and slow motion. So if you value maximum resolution, stronger slow motion, and more control in post-production, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro clearly wins here. When it comes to stabilization, shooting modes, audio, and battery life, both cameras bring serious creator tools, but they serve slightly different workflows. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is excellent at smoothing out rough movement, and its stabilization works beautifully for biking, handheld walking shots, and fast outdoor clips. It also adds face priority metering, which helps keep faces properly exposed and tracked, plus free-frame video up to 4K at 60 frames per second, so you can shoot once and reframe later creator for different platforms. On the other hand, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro goes deeper with subject tracking, sport POV mode, diving mode, motion blur tools, 8K time warp, and improved time-lapse options. It also has a stronger audio system with multiple microphones, USB-C microphone support, raw audio options, and separate internal and external recording. Battery life is another GoPro advantage, thanks to the 2,150 mAh Enduro 2 battery, and fast charging from 0 to 80% in about 20 minutes. That means if you prioritize advanced shooting modes, deeper audio control, and longer recording sessions, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro is the better fit. As for my final verdict, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro is the better choice if you want the most powerful action camera for serious sports, travel, underwater shooting, slow motion, stronger battery life, and professional editing flexibility. On the other hand, Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is the smarter pick if you want an easier camera with a better flip-up screen, great stabilization, simple controls, and polished 4K results. That's all for today's video. Subscribe for more, and comment below if you have any questions.